Hi, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your language in the Trust Wallet app. First of all, we're gonna open the Trust Wallet app. Here you can see it. You open it, you enter the passcode, and then you see the homepage of your wallet. First we go to the settings button on the left, click on it, and then we go to preferences. You click on it, and here you can see the app language. We go back. Here you can see the app language is English right now. Let's say, for example, we want to change it to another language. You can see it here, and you can change it in any language you want. So that's it. If you have any further questions about the Trust Wallet app, please let me know down below in the comments so I can answer all the questions. Please like the video, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.